There are 7 stacks of books. There are 4 books in each stack. How many books are there in all? Seven times 4 equals 28. There are 28 books in all. There are 8 bunches of bananas. There are 4 bananas in each bunch. How many bananas are there in all? 8 groups of 4. 8 times 4 equals 32. Let's learn the 4 times tables. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. 10 times 4 is 40.
Don't forget to subscribe.